Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a chicken stew using ginger, right? Just ginger alone. So the flavor will be very focused on ginger itself. Now, this is half a kg. No, sorry. This is 1 kg of chicken parts, yeah? And half of a chicken actually. So I'm going to marinate this and then add in some julienne ginger later. Let's quickly marinate the ginger here, the chicken here. Give it some fine salt, or you can use light soy sauce also can. I'll add in some light soy sauce here. Few dashes of white pepper. And for those who don't mind taking alcohol, this is Shaoxing wine. So give it a few mix. Some people like to complain Appa never wear gloves at home. Actually, I'm not offended, but how many of you actually wear gloves to do home cook at home? Let me know, Appa. Let Appa know in the comment section below, yeah? Right, done. We'll leave it aside. So let's prepare a wok, and we shall give it a little bit of oil here. Let's heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can actually put in the ginger slices, yeah? We will saute this for a minute or two before we continue to really extract the nice fragrance from the ginger itself. So this is after about 1 minute plus, the ginger started to brown. We can actually put in the marinated chicken. Alright. Then give it a few stir. Wow, let me tell you, it is super fragrant. Now I can really smell the ginger. As you all know, Appa is a ginger person. Why is it I choose to cut the ginger into slices rather than thin slices rather than the big slices? Because today I want to eat the ginger also, yeah? So we have actually browned the surface of the chicken a little bit here. Next thing, for those who, we are going to put in some seasoning also, right? So we are going to tune down the fire. We are not cooking as fast as the chef outside, so always tune down the fire when you are adding in any seasoning, yeah? I'm going to first give it some Shaoxing wine for those who don't mind taking alcohol. If you don't take alcohol, just omit the Shaoxing wine. No need to find replacement. Then some oyster sauce. Approximately 1 tablespoon. Bit of light soy sauce here. Bit of salt. Some sugar. And some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it for Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. For those who don't have this, never mind. Just use any normal broth or stock, yeah? Now I can raise the heat to medium high. And we are going to mix all this together. Oh, I'm looking at the color. I know there's one thing I did not add, which is dark soy sauce. Right. Don't put too much dark soy sauce. It can get bitter. Next thing, we're going to add some water. I'm putting hot water here so you can expedite the cooking process a bit. Just nice to let all the chicken submerge under the broth. And this is a very flavorful broth right now. Next thing we are going to do a Chinese cooking method, which is called reduce. Some people told me it's called simmering. Actually, I don't think it's simmering. It's called reduce. 收汁. Yeah, Chinese call it 收汁. When you cook, keep on let it simmer for some time. The broth or the broth or the sauce will actually reduce by itself, evaporate by itself, and then it will actually goes in and absorb into the flavor will absorb into the chicken even nicer. And the best part is the sauce will actually thicken out by itself also. There's two ways you can do it. You can close the lid, or you can continue to do this under medium-low heat for at least about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, with or without lid, up to you. Right, this is like about 18 minutes simmering. Okay. Let me adjust the focus. Right, you can see the sauce has thickened out. The color also getting darker. So I would like the sauce to be even further thickened out here by itself. So I'll give it another 2 minutes. Or another option is you can just add some starch solution. Up to you. This is after another 2 more minutes, so it is total about 20 minutes simmering. Wow. Let me check the focus again. Alright. So give it some last few stir. Wow, see? The sauce now is very thick. And I did not add any starch solution itself. Right. Done. That's how simple it is. You can put something green to garnish it if you like. Right, so here's my very simple chicken stew with ginger. Yes. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Abba Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Abba YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.